Hi everyone, I am Wafalango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. If you are new and not subscribed the channel, so please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get some more videos about grammar. Today we have got the third kind of verb that is known as ergative verbs. You know what are ergative verbs? They are also known as transitive and intransitive verbs together. You can call them transitive and intransitive verbs or ergative verbs. Ergative means, sometimes they are transitive and sometimes they are intransitive. And transitive, we have already discussed what are the transitive verbs and what are the intransitive verbs. So today we'll be discussing about the both. Now, definition of ergative or transitive and intransitive verbs. Those verbs which work both transitively and intransitively. They work as transitively. Transitively means, they can be changed into passive voice. And intransitively are called, intransitively means which cannot be changed into passive voice are called ergative verbs. So those verbs which work both transitively and intransitively are called ergative verbs. Or another definition, those verbs which sometimes can be changed into passive voice, sometimes can be changed into passive voice means 50-50, and sometimes cannot be changed into passive voice are called ergative verbs. Now we will go towards the examples. I say I fly a kite. Kite is flown by me. Here, your verb fly is working as transitive verb. Why? Because here, your title, doer of an action subject can be changed into agent. And what is agent? It tells us who does an action. And your object can be changed into title subject. And what is title subject? A person, place, or a thing in a sentence which we are talking about, which is also known as topic subject. So see, I fly a kite. Kite is flown by me. Here again the same verb fly cannot be changed into passive voice. I fly in the air. Now over here fly is your verb which is working as intransitive verb. So that's why we call it ergative verbs. Ergative verbs are verbs where your subject sometimes can be changed into object and object sometimes can be changed into subject. So sometimes cannot be changed. And I fly in the air. Air is flown by me. Definitely air cannot be flown by me. So over here your second sentence is considered wrong to be changed into passive voice. Why? Because over here in this sentence, your object is what? Air, and air is adverb of place. Keep in your mind, when in a sentence adverb of place comes in place of object, adverb of place, you cannot change it into passive voice. And in the same way, you speak English. English is spoken by you. Speak is your verb which is working as transitively, where subject is taking the place of object and object is taking the place of subject, becoming title subject, and here me is again called agent. So this can be changed into passive voice, changeable. English is spoken by me. The same verb if I change with adverb of manner, slowly. You speak slowly. Slowly is adverb of manner which cannot be changed into passive voice just because of the adverb of manner. So this sentence is considered wrong just because of the adverb of manner. I told you those verbs which sometimes can be changed into passive voice and sometimes cannot be changed. And this is the reason when your object is adverb of place, you cannot change. When your object is adverb of manner, as I mentioned here, cannot be changed. Third example and the last, she teaches grammar. Grammar is taught by her. Teach is your verb which is called a transitive verb. Clear? It can be changed into passive voice. Like we say, grammar is taught by her, where she is becoming agent, her can be changed into passive voice. And grammar, your object is becoming a title subject and a topic subject which we are talking about. Clear? So this can be changed into passive voice. So changeable. And the same verb if I change with adverb of time, 3 o'clock is adverb of time. Here your teach is now called intransitive verb. 3 o'clock is taught by me. Definitely, we cannot teach the time. Time is the greatest master to teach us, but we are not the one to teach time. So definitely, this cannot be changed just because it is adverb of time. So one thing is to be noticed. If I say you call me, it can be changed into passive voice. I am called by you. And if the same sentence I say you call, this cannot be changed. Why? Because this one does not have any object, so you cannot change it, because rules say that subject takes the place of object and object takes the place of subject. Here I will be mentioning in description, on description box, the link of transitive verbs, which will make you understand, and after that intransitive verbs, which can clear your concept about intransitive verbs. And in the same way, case where a verb becomes intransitive, a topic of passive voice. Case where a verb becomes intransitive, why we cannot change it into passive voice. So all I have discussed over there. See, I told you when verb shows an action, we can change it. And sometimes we cannot change it when it is time, place, or manner in your sentence instead of object. Clear? This cannot be changed. And I have taught some 8 cases where a verb becomes intransitive. Clear? So that I will also mention on description box, that can make it easy for you people to understand transitive verbs as well as intransitive verbs, and ergative, which is what I've taught you here, and case where a verb becomes intransitive. So three links on description box in order to make you understand that what our topic is about. So hope you got today's topic. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with next lecture. Goodbye.